the valedictory address by Karishma de Almeida on behalf of the graduates.
The most powerful weapon on earth is the human soul on fire. Vice Chancellor, Chief Guest for the Day, Director of PIM, distinguished academics, non-academic staff, and my dear colleagues. The journey to success is a difficult one, but the process is critical for our transformation. Each of us gathered here today, both individually and collectively, are proud of our accomplishment. We are filled with pride and a deep sense of joy on having successfully completed this milestone, for adding value in our own unique individual journeys, whatever they may be, and rightly so. But this sense of celebration that we feel here today is short-lived, because it is not about the end goal. It's about who we have become by consistently pushing ourselves to the end of our limits. And so while we acknowledge this accomplishment, it is far more important to recognize the process that we underwent over a long period of 2.5 years to get to this very moment here today. The process that was carefully thought out to mold us in our journeys, the minds that shaped ours, the invaluable lessons we learned on confidence, creativity, discipline, and most importantly, determination, more than outweighed the sacrifices we had to make over long nights to absorb all the knowledge given to us, to ensure all our submissions were done on time, to balancing both full-time careers and our families. Because this journey also helped us to learn deeply about each other's strengths and weaknesses. It helped us to create a common purpose as a collective, though we are from different walks of life. It helped us navigate volatile and uncertain times during the pandemic. It helped us to build a strong sense of determination to see this milestone to completion. And it helped transform us to be more confident in our abilities by being equipped with the tools that we need. And so this process, through adversity, has really introduced us to ourselves. The hardships that we went through have prepared us, who were ordinary, for extraordinary destinies. And as the finest steel that has to go through the hottest fire, we have emerged as stronger souls, not merely more knowledgeable, but as massive characters seared with scars, to the ultimate end of reaching our fullest potential. Because our mission in life is not just to survive, but to thrive. And in order to get something we have never had, we have had to do something we have never done before. Today, as we mark the end of a milestone, by no means does it symbolize the end of a journey. Instead, it acts as a strong enforcer of the notion that there is no passion to be found in settling for a life that is less than the one we are capable of living. And so this transformation is crucial for leadership. What we want to ignite in others must first burn within ourselves. The most powerful weapon on earth is the human soul on fire. But this success and ability to lead is not a result of a spontaneous process. It is instead a conscious decision to set ourselves on fire. And that is exactly what each of us did through that one decision we made 3 years ago to join PIM, without realizing the immense impact it was about to create to transform us into the best version of ourselves. It has paid homage to the fact that the mind is not a vessel to be filled, but a fire to be kindled. And by doing so, it really has unleashed within each and every one of us the power to lead. This journey of ours would not have been possible without the support and guidance of a large network. I would like to take this opportunity to thank them. Director of PIM, Professor Ajanta Dharmasiri, thank you for your leadership, direction, and commitment to lead an impactful leader-breeding entity. Our distinguished panel of lecturers, thank you for sharing your expertise and invaluable experience with us. Thank you for kindling a spark within us to lead. You truly are an inspiration. Mr. Jayant Ranapura and the non-academic staff, thank you for ensuring that we always have the tools we need to support our learning journey. And for those who could not be with us here today, our parents, partners, children, and friends, thank you for being our support system throughout our lives. Thank you for embarking with us on this arduous journey. We are immensely grateful for your understanding and encouragement, without which completing this milestone would be merely a dream. And finally, congratulations to all of you, the graduating batch of 2018. Let us look forward and use the power to lead that has been unleashed within us. Let us use this fire that is burning within us to be the inspirational and impactful leadership that our homes, organizations, businesses, country, and the world so direly needs. As we stand upon the cusp of infinite possibility, how can we not be envied? Not for what we have done or for who we are, but for all we still have to do. Thank you.